found the perfect and easiest hair styler. 5-in-1 hot air styler with 5 attachments. This is how you put it. Easy to use. Let's style my hair. First, we have the pre-shaped nozzle, reducing the dependence on heat. Dry hair quickly and prepare for styling. Next, we have the soft, smooth comb. Create a smooth effect. Soft, spherical comb teeth and designed for gentle massage of the scalp. Next, we have the cylinder comb. Create a fluffy effect. You can also roll in natural waves. This cylinder comb is best for short hairs. I love it! Section your hair. Next, we have the curling barrel. So cute! Look at the difference. What are you waiting for?